Every thought you think, every belief you hold, every habit you repeat is recorded deep inside your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is like a vast garden, fertile and alive, always growing. What you plant inside it, whether seeds of doubt or seeds of power, will determine what blossoms in your life. For many people, this inner garden is overgrown with weeds, old doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that were never theirs to begin with. These limiting beliefs may have come from parents, teachers, society, or past experiences. But here's the truth: beliefs are not permanent. They are patterns. And patterns can be rewritten, reprogrammed, and transformed into empowering codes for success, love, health, and happiness. This session will guide you into a state of deep relaxation and subconscious openness, where those old beliefs can be erased and new empowering ones can be installed. A belief is simply a thought that you've accepted as true, often repeated so many times that it becomes unquestioned. For example, I'm not good enough. I don't deserve success. Money is hard to earn. Love always leads to pain. These are not facts. They are mental programs. Programs that once installed run silently in the background, shaping emotions, decisions, and behaviors. The subconscious doesn't care whether a belief helps or harms you. It simply runs what has been programmed. But just as a computer can be updated with better software, your mind can be reprogrammed with better beliefs. Before we begin, find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and allow yourself to breathe deeply. With each exhale, imagine tension leaving your body. Allow your mind to grow calm, like still water. This process works best when you let go of resistance. Simply allow the words to guide you. You don't need to force anything. Just drift and allow the subconscious mind to open. Take a slow deep breath in and exhale fully. Again, breathe in calmness and breathe out tension. With each breath, your body grows heavier, more relaxed. Feel your shoulders dropping, your arms loosening, your legs softening. Now imagine a gentle wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. With each wave, you drift deeper and deeper into relaxation. Picture yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. There are 10 steps leading down into a peaceful sanctuary within your mind. With each count, you'll step down and sink deeper into your subconscious. 10. Stepping down, feeling safe. 9. Deeper and calmer. 8. Releasing all tension. 7. Sinking deeper. 6. Peaceful and safe. 5. Halfway down, mind opening. 4. Deeper still. 3. Almost there. 2. Relaxed and open. 1. You arrive at the bottom, entering a calm sanctuary of the subconscious mind. Imagine before you a vast and beautiful garden. This is your subconscious mind. Some areas are lush and vibrant, filled with flowers and strong trees. Other areas have weeds, representing limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Walk slowly through this garden. Notice which plants are healthy and strong. These represent empowering beliefs, like I am worthy, I am capable, I am loved. But notice also the weeds, those thoughts of doubt, fear, and limitation. These weeds may look overgrown, tangled, or heavy. Perhaps they whisper words of negativity. Today, you are here to remove them. You are here to clear space, to erase all limiting beliefs, and to reprogram your subconscious with truth, power, and freedom. Now imagine holding in your hands a beautiful glowing tool, like golden light. This tool has the power to dissolve any weed, any limiting belief, instantly. Walk to the first weed you see. Perhaps it says, "I'm not good enough." Touch it with the golden light. Instantly, it dissolves into nothingness. The ground beneath it becomes rich and fertile again. Move to another weed. Perhaps it says, "I don't deserve success." Touch it with the golden light and watch it vanish, leaving behind pure, clean soil. Continue this process. Each limiting belief you remove leaves space for something new, something empowering. Now pause and imagine that all the weeds, the entire forest of limiting beliefs, are being cleared away by a wave of golden energy. A great cleansing light washes over your garden, dissolving every old limitation, every lie, every fear. The soil of your subconscious is now pure, ready for reprogramming. Now that the weeds are gone, it is time to plant new seeds, seeds of empowerment, success, and joy. Imagine holding a basket of radiant seeds. Each seed is a new belief. As you plant each one in the fertile soil, repeat it in your mind. I am worthy of love and success. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am free from all limitations of the past. I attract abundance easily and naturally. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am in harmony with life, and life supports me. Plant each seed carefully, watching it take root in the soil. Feel the truth of each belief sinking deep into your subconscious mind. As you plant these seeds, imagine them growing quickly into strong trees and radiant flowers. The garden becomes more beautiful, vibrant, and alive with every new empowering belief. Now imagine yourself walking through your life, your daily experiences, with these new beliefs alive inside you. See yourself speaking confidently, taking bold actions, and attracting opportunities. Notice how people respond to your new energy. Notice how obstacles seem smaller, how solutions come easily, how abundance flows naturally. Feel what it is like to live free from limitations. To know, deep in your core, that you are worthy, capable, and unstoppable. Allow this vision to imprint deeply into your subconscious mind, becoming your new reality. Repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud, letting them echo in your subconscious. I am powerful beyond measure. I let go of all beliefs that no longer serve me. My subconscious mind is aligned with success and happiness. I choose love, abundance, and freedom. Every day, in every way, I am becoming the best version of myself. Each affirmation sinks deeper and deeper into your subconscious, locking in place as new programs running effortlessly in the background of your mind. Now imagine a radiant light shining inside your chest. This light represents your new subconscious programming. It is strong, unshakable, eternal. With each breath, this light expands, filling your entire body with power and freedom. It shines so brightly that no old limiting belief can ever return. The weeds cannot grow back. The soil is now too rich, too vibrant, too alive with new truth. This is your new foundation. From this moment forward, your subconscious will guide you towards success, abundance, love, and joy. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. With each count, you will rise back into wakeful awareness, bringing with you the deep reprogramming you have just experienced. 1. Slowly returning, mind refreshed. 2. Body re-energized. 3. Carrying new empowering beliefs. 4. Becoming more alert. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, feeling powerful, confident, and free. You have now erased old limiting beliefs and reprogrammed your subconscious with new, empowering ones. Remember, your subconscious mind accepts repetition and emotion. The more you repeat these new beliefs, the stronger they grow. Every day, remind yourself, I am worthy. I am capable. I am free. This is your truth. This is your new reality.